Even when the doctors told me everything was fine, I was really, really glad. But then 1.5 years later, or like from the time from now, 1.5 years back, I had one really big problem. I had an infection in my body and it went into my bone. And the problem was they tried everything with medication, operations, they took the bone of the inside out, they filled it up with like a cement, and they said, this is the last chance. If the infection will go back into the bone one more time, we have to amputate the leg. I'm only 25 years old, and my life is just starting now. And like 6 months ago, somebody came to me with those beautiful products, and they told me, Vicky, please listen to me and try this. So I started with the soul, and like 3 months after it, I went back to the hospital. Like every single week I had to come back, and the doctor told me, Vicky, I know you already since you was 4 years old. Please tell me, what did you change in your life? Because every infection is gone in the body, and the cement is completed. Mission and tell everybody over the world about this amazing people. Please, it helped me, so let's help everybody with their health. Come on, let's do it.